What is up, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get the Office 365 products for free, which is going to be Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, all the different programs that come under the Office 365 platform. So I'm going to be showing you how to get that for free. So all you got to do is go to Google and search Office Online, and you're going to go ahead and click on the first link. So this is going to take you to a Microsoft login page. So if you have an account with Xbox or an account with anything that's Microsoft related, just go ahead and sign into that account. And once you sign in, it's going to take you to this page here. And as you can see here, you can see that you have access to all these programs here. So it's going to ask you if you want to purchase it or continue using it online. So just make sure you click on continue using it online, and it's just going to give you this right here, right? So if you want to go ahead and install it on your computer, that's going to cost you money. But if you want to use it online, it's not going to cost you anything. So let's go ahead and open Excel here for an example and kind of like see what it looks like online. So as you can see, this is what it looks like online. So as you can see here, where I opened in Excel. So as you can see, I just opened Microsoft Excel online. So you go ahead and click create blank document, and you're going to see that it doesn't make much of a difference. The online version and the desktop version is pretty much the same thing. So this is what it looks like, just like the desktop version. So let's say you were to go ahead and type in some numbers here. As you can see, it saves it on here, and you can change the name up here to anything you want, really. Let's just leave it like that. All right, so let's say you were done with this and you wanted to actually save it offline. So you just didn't want to save it online. You wanted to put it on your flash drive. You can go ahead and go to save here, and you can go to save as. And then you can click on download a copy. So this is going to download a copy to your computer, and you can put this anywhere you want, really. If you want to go ahead and upload it somewhere else, you can do that. Or you can save to OneDrive, which is connected to your account. Or you have some options here that you can use. And so it's pretty much the same thing with Microsoft Office Word here. So let's go ahead and click on this here. And you see that you have more options here. So let's go with Word. It's going to be the same thing here with Word. We're going to have an online version that has the same options, and you can actually save it on your desktop if you want. So this is pretty much the same thing here. You can start with a blank document, or you can go ahead and start with these templates here that are already made for you. So let's go ahead and click on this right here. And yeah, so it looks really nice. It doesn't make a difference. It just looks like the desktop version. But that is pretty much it, guys. That is how you get Office 365 programs for free. But thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to go ahead and hit the subscribe button below if this video helped you out, and I'll see you on the next one.